Cash crops are grown not primarily as a source of food but mainly as raw material for industries. For example, cotton, sugarcane, and tea. Cotton is agrofiber. It is grown in Rabi and Kharif season. So it is a Rabi and Kharif crop. Cotton is one of the most important fiber crop of India. It provides the basic raw material, cotton fiber, to cotton textile industry. Before partition, Dhaka's muslin was known to be the finest in the world and was in great demand. India is still one of the main producers of cotton. It ranks fourth in cotton production in the world, but only 10% of the world cotton output comes from India. Characteristics: cotton plant is small in size, about 1 to 1.5 meters high, with large leaves and yellow flowers. The flowers develop into cotton seed pod. Inside, a white fibrous substance covers the seed. These pods are known as balls. The cotton seeds, or binola, are used in vanaspati industry. They also make excellent fodder for milch cattle as they improve the quality of milk. Cotton is a tropical and subtropical crop grown up to 40-degree north latitude. Cotton is a Rabi as well as a Kharif crop. Types and varieties. On the basis of length, strength, and structure of its fiber, 3 varieties of cotton are grown in India. Long staple cotton. It has the largest fiber whose length varies from 24 to 27 millimeters. It is used to make fine quality cotton cloth. Egyptian cotton of this variety is world famous. In India, half of the cotton produced is of this variety. States producing long stapled cotton are Punjab, Haryana, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, and Telangana. Medium staple cotton. It has length of 20 to 24 millimeters. Most of the cotton producing states produce this type of cotton. For example, Rajasthan, Punjab, and Tamil Nadu. Short staple cotton. It is less than 19 millimeter long. Uttar Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Rajasthan, Punjab, and Haryana are the main producers of this variety. Soils. Cotton is grown on various types of soils, but it is mainly grown in deep black soil, Regur of the Deccan, the Malwa Plateau, and Gujarat, as these soils retain moisture. It also grows well in light and alluvial soils of Satluj Ganga plains and red and laterite soil of the peninsular regions. Climatic requirements. Temperature. Cotton plant needs mild, cool, preferably dry climate with 21 degrees centigrade to 27 degrees centigrade temperature. It needs plenty of sunshine. Warm days and cool nights are good for the development of the ball and fiber in the first stage at the time of fruition. Temperature should not phase below 20 degrees centigrade. This crop requires 200 frost-free days during growing period. Rainfall. Cotton plants need a moderate rainfall of 50 cm to 80 cm, well distributed throughout the year. Stagnant water and excessive rain both are harmful to the plant. Methods of cultivation. Cotton takes 6 to 8 months to mature. Depending on its climatic conditions, its time of sowing and harvesting differs in different parts of the country. Frost is the worst enemy of the crop. In Punjab and Haryana, it is sown as a Rabi crop in April and May and it is harvested in December and January before the frost can spoil the crop. In peninsular India, since there is no fear of frost damaging the crop, it is grown as a Kharif crop. In Tamil Nadu, it is grown both as Rabi as well as Kharif crop. Here rains occur during winter and cotton is sown during October. The irrigated crop is sown in January and Feb. Mostly, cotton is used as a rotation crop with other Kharif crops such as maize, jowar, sesame, and groundnut. Mostly, the seeds are sown by the broadcasting method, but drilling method is becoming popular. Irrigated crops give better results. Cotton quickly absorbs the nutrients of the soil, hence, regular application of manure fertilizers to the soil is very essential. Harvesting. Cotton balls are ready for picking by October. Less humidity in the air and warm temperature help in ripening and bursting the cotton balls. Problems of cotton cultivation. The cultivation of cash crop of cotton requires large sum of investment. The farmers who are indulged in cultivation of cotton are facing security threats due to the losses incurred. The high scale of investment is required in areas such as labor. It needs plenty of labor. The increase in price of fertilizer and pesticides to be used in cotton field requires the owners to invest in large sums on cotton field. Increased prices on electricity consumption. Cotton seeds are very expensive. Picking is mostly done by hand. A lot of cheap and efficient labor is required as it cannot be mechanized. Normally, picking season continues for 3 months as the balls keep maturing. Diseases. The cotton plant is vulnerable to attack by pests and diseases like bollworms, boll weevils, and wilts. Farmers can control it by regular use of proper pesticides, insecticides, and fungicides. Processing. Ginning. After picking, the first step is ginning, in which the cotton fiber is separated from the raw material, that is cotton. This method is called ginning. In India, it is mostly done by roller gins. After separating, the lint is tied in bales and sent to the cotton mills for ripening and spinning into thread. Raw cotton, known as kapas, is sold in primary markets where the dealers take up its ginning and baling and transport it to the main mills. The price is fixed as per the type of yarn spun. To get a fair deal to the farmer, cooperative societies have been formed by the Maharashtra government where the price is fixed for different grades of kapas. The main purpose of the scheme is threefold: to get fair price to the farmers, to supply unadulterated raw materials to the consumers at fixed price, and to guarantee purity of cotton. Uses. After ginning, oil is extracted from the cotton seed and used for making vanaspati, margarine, and soap. The residue is used as cattle feed. Areas and states. India has the largest area under cotton cultivation, though it is not the largest producer of cotton. Currently, it is grown over 6% of the net sown area. Punjab, Maharashtra, Gujarat, and Haryana. In peninsular India, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and Andhra Pradesh or Telangana are the main producers of cotton. Punjab produces a good quality of long staple cotton and is the largest producer in India.